Hello, my dear students of 5th standard. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will do first unit of moral science. Take out your moral science books, page 5, unit 1, develop good habits. The garden of life. Meera and Gitu were classmates as well as intimate friends. Once their class teacher requested the students to engage themselves in a hobby of their choice. After 6 months, the teacher inquired about the hobbies of her students. Meera and Gitu reported gardening was their hobby and they have set up gardens at home. The teacher requested to bring photographs of these gardens to see how beautiful they were. Below you can see the images of the two gardens. Observe them closely and try to find the answers of the questions given below. Students, this is Meera's garden and this is Githu's garden, and question answers we will do later on. Firstly, we will do chapter reading. Now page 6. Habit. A habit is a regular choice or tendency which is very difficult to give up. Means things we do again and again becomes our habit. Once habit is acquired, it is very difficult to get rid of it. There are two types of habits, good and bad. The good habits are those which help us to achieve success and do great things in life. The bad habits are those which make us weak, lazy and dull. A person with good habits will surely get success in life. A person with bad habits will move to failure in life. It is very difficult to acquire good habits and very easy to give up. On the other side, it is very easy to acquire bad habits and very difficult to get rid of it. Most of the habits are formed at a very early age, means young age. We should acquire good habits at young age, and accidentally if we acquire bad habits, then it should be immediately removed. If we acquire good habits at our young age, it will ultimately shape our character. Dear students, now there are some good habits. First, be an early riser. Get up early in the morning. Do some exercise. Exercise is a very good habit. Be cheerful. Always stay happy and joyful. Page 8. Cleanliness matter. We should wear neat and clean clothes and keep our surroundings clean. Punctuality. We should be punctual. Calm and composed. To be calm and composed means not to be worried, tense and restless. Always stay tension free. We should be responsible. Be smart, active and energetic. Give up addictions. When we become too much interested in something, we become addicted to it. Avoiding such addictions will help us to succeed in life. Have a timetable. Having a timetable will help us to make the maximum use of the available time. So students, this is the chapter on habits, and we have to acquire good habits to shape up our character and future. And now, dear students, page 5, we will do question answer. Yes, beta, open page 5. Moral Science, Unit 1, Develop Good Habits, page 5. Do it on your book. You have to do it on your book. Which garden did you like most? Why? Answer is Mira's garden because it looks beautiful. Mira's garden because it looks beautiful. Second answer is also Mira's garden. Third answer, there are many beautiful and colorful flowers in Mira's garden. Fourth, by taking care of her garden. Fifth, love, care and patience. Answer 6, anger, impatience and ignorance. Question 7, are good thoughts and attitudes. Students, these are the answer of your question answer of page 5. Page 5 answers. Now, come to page 9. Come to page 9. What do you know about good habits? Question is, you have to do it also only on your book. Unit 1, activity time, page 9. Do these answers only on your book. No need to write on copy. Question 1. Good habits help us to achieve success in life. Question 2. Bad habits make our life dull and move to failure. Answer 3. The freshness of body and mind in the morning will improve our learning power. Answer 4. Our timetable help us to make maximum use of time. Students, now true false. Good habits are easily acquired. It is false. It is false. B. Bad habits cannot be easily given up. It is true. C. We should not be addicted to anything. True. First answer is false. B. True. C. True. Dear students, this is your today's lecture. Now extra question answer and page 10 exercise we will do on next week. Thank you. Have a safe time.